Love is like a swimming pool, I'll dive right in, splash into your heart, let the waves begin. In the scorching summer days I find your cool embrace, and all my worries vanish. Ripples on the surface when I'm feeling blue. You are my true oasis and sky. In the flames of passion we glide and float. In the flow of love we forget the weariness of a long day. Although there might be many people around me, I only wanna be your one and only lover. I am your one and only lover. When I feel the summer heat, I just jump into your love. That's cool and refreshing like the morning